He's turning a rusted bearing into a knife. It starts with fire, melting down the old metal until it glows. Then, with hammer blows and patience, he forges it into the rough shape of a blade, grinding, cutting. Every step reveals more of the knife hidden inside the steel. He carves in the feather's pattern, each line precise, each curve intentional. Next comes the handle, carved from wood, shaped, sanded. What began as scrap and sawdust now looks like something alive, sharp, smooth, and perfectly balanced. A blade born from rust, rebuilt by skill.